Hi everyone. So quick one. I just want to show you an issue I'm having with this website. So this is a screenshot. I'm sure probably might be facing this kind of issue. So whereby when you are trying to use a JetFilter, so if you can see here, I'm using JetFilter here with Elementor loop grid. And sometimes when you are trying to use JetFilter to filter your product, so at a point in time you'll be getting two or three or more load more that is quite not user friendly, not responsive, and somehow. So a client actually reach out. So I just want to show you how I fix this particular issue. So let me show you how I did it. So and let me show you the website, the main website. Actually, here is the website. So here is the website, and so I was using, this is a loop grid. So this is JetFilter, you can see JetFilter, and this is taxonomy filter, Elementor taxonomy filter. So if before I was using load more, or yeah, I was using load more with Elementor loop grid. So here is the load more. In case if you are getting that kind of error, so I just want to show you how to fix it. So before I was using load more, or if you are using any of these, either load more, even infinity scroll. So most of them, they always misbehave when you are using it with JetFilter. So the best option for you, if you are using it with JetFilter, the best option for you is to, before I was using load more, let me click on load more and let me come down here. You will see it. Okay, you see this is the previous load more I was using, but it's giving me some kind of error, double somehow. So I have to disable it. So I have to disable it. So after I disable it, if you are using Jet booking, just come here, just come over here, this particular widget, just search for pagination. You can see the pagination. So this particular pagination, you just have to drag here. So I have it here. Here is it. So if you drag here, there's many ways you can customize it, so you can to fit into what you are looking for. Sorry. So you can come to under this control, like I can enable items. We see number. You can see number now. So I don't want number, so I disable it. So yeah, I can enable prev and next. It's to depend on what you're looking for. I'm actually looking for load more. So that's why I just enable only the load more. So this actually works for me. So this particular pagination is coming from the JetFilter himself. So all itself. So this JetFilter, that load more actually work with Jet load more work perfectly with JetFilter. So in case you are trying to fix this kind of issue, just use JetFilter. So after I use that, so let me just come here. Before I was actually having the issue, like I've tried a lot, but after that, after I'm using the load more from Crocoblock, so this seems to work perfectly for me. So if I'm trying to filter before, if I'm doing this kind of thing, I'll have been getting load more. But currently I'm not getting that load more anymore. I'm trying to do different kind of thing. I'll be getting load more. Like more, it can be two, it can be three times. So I've tried to use CSS, JavaScript, nothing works. But your best option for this kind of issue is to use pagination that comes with Crocoblock. Hope you find this tutorial useful. So thank you so much. It's a quick tutorial. Just want to show you how I got it fixed. So thank you. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe, like this video. So thank you.